do some very good order to ensure that we continue to take full responsibility, for our citizens and for our people. Some of the face masks will probably send them to our schools, to the school children that will be resuming, from Monday, SS3 and Tech 3 students that will be getting ready. So in this period of Salah, like I did mention in my message yesterday, it's just a period for us to also reflect. And part of the reflection will be just to be sure that we slow things down. And like the phrase that I borrowed from the young boy, let's just calm down. Let's just calm down and things will get better. You can see here now that these are processes of calming down. We're all wearing face masks. We've got Nigerian companies started doing face masks. So the anxiety is coming down. Our curve that we keep mentioning that will flatten. Next tomorrow is August. It will start flattening out. And so we'll begin to see the real coming down, in our system. So I just want to enjoy you as gentlemen of the press. Let us, pass on this message to our citizens. That yes, it's a period of reflection. It's a period in which we need to take a lot of stock counting, and we can do that by just ensuring that we'll slow down and we'll calm down and things will get, over time back to some bit of normalcy. And, this is a new normal now for all of us, right? And things will turn around for us. It certainly will. I'm very optimistic, Let's continue to take responsibility. Let's continue to stay healthy for our loved ones and for ourselves, right? And Lagos State government will continue to do what it does best, which is securing the safety of Lagosians and our citizens in general. Thank you very much.